Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we're going to be talking about a headphone four-way amplifier with volume control. It is the Pyle PHA40. We're going to cover all the features and benefits and how to hook it up in this video. So let's get started. Inside this box is of course some manuals and papers and stuff like that, which we will put aside because we don't do that. And we're going to have an AC power supply right here because of course for it to actually work we need to plug it in. Then, la pièce de résistance, the actual unit in a little silicone gel sack. We'll put all that aside now. And we're going to look at this piece first. Then we're going to actually show how you connect it. This unit has 4 volume controls on it. Level 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the back side of it, it's going to have 4 outputs for 4 individual headphones and 1 input. So to make this work, you're going to need an additional cable to no matter what you want to hook it up to. You are going to need this cable right here. This cable is a 1/4 inch balanced or stereo cable because we're actually using it for headphones, and it's the same on both ends. Now, if we plan on plugging this into a laptop because we want to get more headphones instead of just the one that we can plug in, we'll buy an adapter like this, which is a 3.5 stereo adapter to 1/4 inch. You can also just buy a cable if that's your sole purpose for it. You can buy a cable that's going to be 1/4 inch at one end and 3.5 at the other. Now to hook this up, you can use it with either an audio interface, a mixer, you can plug directly in your computer, anything with a headphone jack on it. So in this case, we've got ourselves an Alto Professional, the ZMX52. This could be as big or as small as any mixer we want it. Same thing with an actual audio interface. As long as we have a headphone jack and we need more than one person to actually listen to what's going on, this is how you do it. Don't just go out and buy yourself a little Y splitter because that's really not going to give you the quality that you want. And at the price points that these things are at, it's the right way to go. So how do we hook one of these up? We're going to need to plug it in. You're going to need to go into the main end here. Then the other end of that cable is going to go into the headphone jack. Now, it's good to be comfortable with the actual equipment you're using, knowing the volume level that you like to set it at. Now that you have these 2 pieces connected, you're going to need headphones. Once you have your headphones, that'll have a 1/4 inch adapter on it. You'll pick which line you want to have it on. So in this case, let's say number 1. That set of headphones is plugged in. Then of course you're buying this so you can plug in more than one set of headphones. So here's a second set of headphones. Now this set of headphones has a 3.5 at the end of it, so you do need to have the appropriate adapter. So this is a 1/4 inch to 3.5. This actually came included with the headphones, but you can buy it separately if you don't have it. And that clicks on there. Now this will fit in the back as well. So it's just that simple. If I had a 3rd and 4th pair, I would just plug them in. So of course you need to plug in your AC adapter to make that all work, and everything's hooked up just the way you need it. Now remember, this is important. You need to be comfortable with the volume level that you like to play your headphones at here. So if that's 50% or 3/4 of the way, that's where you're going to want to set this up first. This allows each person to be able to turn up and turn down their volume according to the standard volume level that's here. So some people may want it louder, some people may want it lower, and they're always going to be listening to whatever comes out of the headphone jack. So again, this is used for everything from schooling at home, where you're homeschooled, you need to have headphones on so you can hear the actual class. If you're doing any online training programs, of course, if you're using this for a podcast and you have multiple people, there you go again. If you're a small band and you're just doing some rehearsals and you don't want to be playing through a bunch of amplified speakers, this is another great way to go. This allows everybody to adjust their own volume and get it just the way they want. So, very simple way to solve a really big problem when it comes to having a bunch of headphones. As the quality and reliability goes, it's going to be just about as good as what you get in here. Now, of course, if you spend an enormous amount of money on an audio interface or a mixing board, yes, that may be better, but you're using this for live use. So at the end of the day, this is going to work out really, really well. You could spend more money than this. You could spend maybe even less money than this. I doubt it, though. But the quality is going to be similar until you get to an extraordinary amount investment. And again, you could easily spend too much money here and it'd be better than what you actually have here. So I don't know if that's necessarily, the right way to go. And that's it. This is a PHA40 4-channel stereo headphone amplifier. It's as simple as that, and it solves a lot of problems for a lot of folks. That's everything for this video, so I'd like to say thanks for watching. Maybe we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.